Good morning. Today from chapter 9 solar radiation, heat budget and temperature. We will discuss in this session about the inversion of temperature. In the lower atmosphere, up to the height of 8 to 18 km from the surface, temperature normally decreases with increase in altitude. But inversion of normal lapse rate of temperature is inversion of temperature. When there is opposite condition of normal lapse rate of temperature is called the inversion of temperature. Oftenly what happen, there is a trend of decreasing temperature with increase in altitude. In the normal lapse rate of temperature falls of 1 degree Celsius per 165 meter, or you can say there is a fall of 6.5 degrees Celsius per 1000 meter. But under some special circumstances, the position is reversed and temperature, instead of decreasing, is found to increase with the increase in elevation, though only in certain layers of atmosphere it happens at a time, but there are places where this is very common. In this condition of inversion of temperature increase with increase in height in the atmosphere. In other words, we can say the vertical temperature gradient is inverted. In meteorology, this condition of increase in temperature with increase in height is called inversion of temperature. Temperature inversion may occur at low level close to the land surface, or it may also develop at various atmospheric level at different altitude from the earth's surface. The condition which are required and the circumstances, geographical condition which are required for the inversion of temperature. First, for inversion of temperature we need long winter nights. Generally, inversion of temperature takes place under winter night condition. Clear sky, there should not be cloud or fog in this condition. Still air is required, or you can say there should be stability of air, atmosphere. This is the required condition for the inversion of temperature. According to the inversion of temperature, this may cause by the relative height from the earth's surface at which this develop. The temperature inversion may takes place in various form, in various circumstances. Very first requirement, heat of the day is radiated off during the night. It is very common. Heat which is absorbed by the earth's surface is radiated during the night time, and by early morning hours earth is cooler than the air above. In this condition, the surface inversion produced by radiation cooling of lower layer is called radiational inversion. This condition is called radiational inversion. In this, the inversion layer develop at an altitude of 90 meter due to nocturnal cooling. The cooling of Earth's surface during the night time produced by the thermal radiation is the principal factor for this type of inversion. In this, a land surface radiates more heat than the air. Ground is cooled more rapidly than the air at a great height during the night time. As a result, the cold air lies at the ground and is overlaid by the warmer air. Right? Over the polar areas, inversion of temperature is normal all around the year. And surface inversion, this promote the stability in lower layer of atmosphere. Smokes, dust particle gets collected beneath the inversion layer and spread horizontally to fill the lower strata of atmosphere. Dense fog in the morning are the common occurrence during the winter season, and in this condition this inversion commonly lasts for few hours until the sun come up and being to warm the earth's surface. In this inversion is produced well above the earth's surface on account of subsidence atmosphere. In this type of inversion, the thick layer of warm air above the cold surface produces an inversion of temperature in the lower layer of atmosphere, for the warm air is cooled by the convection. In mountains and hills, inversion takes place due to the air drainage. Cold air at the hills and mountains produced during the night flow under the influence of gravity, and in this, after being cooled down, this being heavy and dense air, the cold air acts almost like a water and moves down the slope to pile up in the valley, and at the valley bottom with warm air lies above the cool air. This type of inversion is the result of air drainage, and this is very important to protect the plant from frost damage. It is generally have been seen that along the front the inversion is the strictest sense in the sense of the term. What happened? The actual lapse rate became so low in the inversion layer. The reason of this inversion is quite simple. Warmer air ascend above the cool air, and there is an adiabatic expansion of air, and because of expansional cooling of upward moving air at the adiabatic rate, the frontal inversions are rarely observed beyond the height of 2 km. At greater height, there is a marked decrease in the lapse rate in frontal places, whereas just above the top of the cloud formed by the rising warm air current, the inversion is always present. Thank you.